tortuous part of nephron. Okay, longest and more tortuous part of nephron. Commensurate urinary part of cortex. Cortex में होता है ये only. Okay, lying by the simple cuboidal epithelium. याद रखना ये. These cells are acidophilic, means pink color के दिखेंगे. Cytoplasm is acidophilic. There is a microvilli, so it is a brush border. It is a brush border. Function is absorb the sodium, water, glucose, amino acid, and small proteins. Sodium, water, glucose, and small proteins. The function of PCT. So you can see all these are PCT. Cuboidal epithelium आपको दिख ही रहा है, and acidophilic cytoplasm. पूरा pink दिखेगा. Entire cytoplasm is pink. Okay, so ये PCT. Then DCT, slightly tortuous, less tortuous, present in cortex, continuation of the thick ascending limb. You can see this is continue, thick ascending limb continue the DCT. It is also lined by a simple cuboidal epithelium, but less acidophilic, or maybe basophilic. No microvilli, इसमें microvilli नहीं होगी, DCT में होगा. Function is absorb the NaCl and secrete the K plus and S plus. तो ये function of in cells of the PCT and DCT. PCT में मैक्रोविलाई होगी, ब्रश बॉर्डर. ये मैक्रोविलाई है वेरी फ्यू और एब्सेंट. यहाँ पे प्लाज्मा में इनफोल्डिंग इज लेस, यहाँ पे इनफोल्डिंग ज़्यादा होगी, बिजर इनफोल्डिंग आर मोर. ओके, दिस इज मोर एसिडोफिलिक, ओके, मोर एसिडोफिलिक. दिस इज द लेस एसिडोफिलिक और मे बी बेसोफिलिक, मे बी. दिस इज हाउ दिस appear in the microscope. So more number of PCT ज़्यादा नंबर में होंगे, remember, than DCT in cortex. PCT में cells are darkly stained, both nuclei and cytoplasm seen, and small remain. Okay, so see the PCT में देखो, ये PCT में both nuclei and cytoplasm are seen. Nuclei भी, okay, and lumen is small. देखो इसमें lumen is very small. This is how PCT appear. अब DCT देखो, DCT light सिर्फ न्यूक्लियाई आपको दिख रहा है, एंड ल्यूमिन आपको लार्ज दिखेगा, लार्ज ल्यूमिन. ठीक है, सो दिस इज हाउ टू डिफरेंशिएट पीसीटी फ्रॉम डीपीसीटी. फर्स्ट इज सबसे ज़्यादा आपको पीसीटी दिखेगा कॉर्टेक्स में. ओके, पीसीटी में ल्यूमिन इज वेरी स्मॉल, कहीं पे तो दिखेगा भी नहीं. एंड सेल्स में बोथ न्यूक्लियाई एंड साइटोप्लाज्म स्टेन्ड. ओके, न्यूक्लियाई भी स्टेन्ड एंड साइटोप्लाज्म भी आपको दिखेगा. पीसीटी में ल्यूमिन इज लार्ज एंड ओनली न्यूक्लियाई आर सीन. So this is how considered under the microscope. Okay, same thing you can see. PCT, small lumen, entire cell is stained. PCT, only nuclei are stained, and lumen is large. Okay, same thing. Loop of Fresnel. It is a U-shaped tube arising from the PCT, descend from the cortex into the medulla. Medulla में जाता है ना ये. Okay, then return back into the cortex and into DCT. It contains thin and thick segment. Thick segment is lined by simple cuboidal epithelium. Okay, to low columnar epithelium, and thin segment is lined by the simple squamous epithelium. उसमें कुछ याद रखना नहीं है. Thin segment thin है, तो thin में कौन सी epithelium? Thin, simple squamous epithelium. So just remember thin segment simple squamous epithelium and thick segment cuboidal to low columnar epithelium. Okay, so here you can see loop of Fresnel. Okay, here you can see नीचे से होगा लूप, वहाँ पे थिन सेगमेंट होगा, ये स्क्वेमस है, स्क्वेमस एपिथेलियम है, आपको दिख ही रहा है. okay, लूप होगा, लूप में तो थिन सेगमेंट होगा ना, तो थिन सेगमेंट इज लाइंड बाय द स्क्वेमस एपिथेलियम. ओके, collecting tubule DCT, we know DCT empties into collecting tubule, is passed to the medullary phrase and joined to the collecting duct. And collecting duct enter the medullary pyramid, pass to the middle papilla and open in. Okay, collecting tubule are also lined with a simple cuboidal epithelium. Collecting ducts are cuboidal to low columnar. Okay, and these collecting ducts are lined by the one cell known as a Clara cell, light cells. Clara cell is a single cilium with the few short microvilli. यहाँ पे होता है एक cilium होता है, few short माइक्रोविल होता है। फिर it contain aquaporin 2 channels. Clara cell contain clear cells, no clara cell, clear cells और light cells contain aquaporin 2 channels. यहाँ पे आपको पता है ADH एंटी डायरेटिक हार्मोन यहाँ पे एक्ट करता है, एंटी डायरेटिक हार्मोन। ओके, फिजियोलॉजी में आएगा आपको aquaporin 2 channel. So light cell, clear cell. Second is dark cell intercalated cells. Okay, few without basal infolding, infolding. Yeah. So these are the two type of cells present in collecting duct. Clear cells, इसी का इम्पोर्टेंस इसलिए आपको बताया। Aquaporin 2 channels are present in clear cell or light cell of the collecting duct. Okay, and another is dark or intercalated cells which are without infolding. Okay, so this is how this appear. These are the medullary rays. आपको दिखेगा ये rays containing mainly collecting tubules and collecting duct. कॉर्टेक्स में आपको दिख ही रहा है, ये सारे माल्पीजियन कॉर्पस्कल है। Okay, same thing, medullary rays, collecting duct and collecting tubule. T means tubule. So T means collecting. T means thin segment of loop of anal. Thin segment आपको दिख ही रहा है, squamous epithelium है यहाँ पे, squamous cells. Collecting duct lined by the tubular cells. Okay, collecting ducts. You can see columnar जैसे हो गए, low columnar cells. Okay, section, cross section. Okay, this is cross section of collecting. Now these are the blood vessels. यहाँ पे हमको पता है F1 arteriole होता है, sorry, renal artery divided into segmental artery, then divided into interlobar. पहले interlobar artery. Interlobar is present in between the medulla, means renal column. Then it is enter into the cortex. Here it is known as the arcuate artery. Arcuate पढ़ते हैं ऐसे. Arcuate means another blood vessel is that is known as interlobular artery. And interlobular artery finally give rise to efferent arteriole. Efferent में से efferent arteriole medulla में जाता है, and from the vasa recta. Okay, ये सारी vasa recta. From the capillary network around the loop of anal. Finally from the it's called the arteriole recti. Okay, arteriole, then venule, veni recti from the venules, same veins, interlobular, then arcuate vein, interlobal vein, and then segmental and renal vein. So this is the blood vessels of the kidney. We will not go in much detail. Next structure is juxtaglomerular apparatus. Juxta means near. Okay, we will see only this structure. After juxtaglomerular apparatus, we will stop the lecture. So juxtaglomerular apparatus, juxta means near, and near the glomerulus. It is a specialized organ situated near the glomerulus in each nerve. It mainly consists of three parts. Okay, it is present near the vascular pole where DCT comes in contact with the efferent arteriole. आपको दिख ही रहा है. This is distal convoluted tubule. It comes in contact with the efferent arteriole. Okay, यहाँ पे होता है. DCT when comes in contact with the efferent arteriole, and here it forms a special structure that is known as juxtaglomerular apparatus. Okay, involved in regulation of blood pressure. It is involved in regulation of blood pressure. So mainly three components. One is known as juxtaglomerular cells. Second is known as macula densa. This is macula densa, and thus third is this part, glomerular extramesangial cells. Glomerular extramesangial. Let's see one by one. JG cells, remember, ये एक आर्ट्रियोल आपको दिख ही रहा है. This is efferent arteriole. This is efferent. कैसे पता चलेगा? Lumen of efferent arteriole is larger than the lumen of efferent arteriole. So efferent arteriole के wall में some cells are modified. देखो इसके wall में some cells are modified from the juxtaglomerular cells. Okay, so JG cells are modified smooth muscle cells in the wall of the efferent arteriole. Here cells become large and round. हमें पता है smooth muscle are spindle shape, but here it becomes round, large and round. I have the spherical nuclei भी change हो जाएगी, spherical, round. Okay, main function of this cell is with the renin. Okay, and innervated by the unmyelinated adrenergic nerve fibers. Unmyelinated JG cells. Just remember, these are the modified smooth muscle cell in afferent arteriole. JG cell कहाँ पे होंगे? Afferent arteriole में होते हैं. Modified smooth muscle and secrete the renin. Secrete the renin. Second cell is macula densa. Okay. See, macula densa कहाँ पे है? DCT में है. DCT. Okay. So here cell become closely packed and become columnar. See, cell की height बढ़ जाती है. Okay. So wall of DCT also modify at some at this side in contact with the arteriole. Here cell become columnar and densely packed. Columnar and densely packed. Okay, lies in close contact with the JG cells. And third and last part is known as glomerular extramesenterial cell. यहाँ पे होते हैं. Okay, also known as lacis cell. Also known as they bear the process and form the lace-like network. That's why this is known as a lacis cell. Okay, from the lace-like network. Located in the interval between the macula densa and afferent artery. ये दोनों के बीच में होता है, उस गैप में होता है interval between. Function of this cell is unknown. Function of this cell is unknown. Okay, so these are the three parts of the substratoglomerular apparatus. Okay, so we will stop here. I hope you understood all these things. Okay, ureter urinary में कुछ भी नहीं है, उसमें सिर्फ 4-5 चीजें आपको याद रखनी है. That we will discuss in afternoon during the revision of the histology. ओके, सो आफ्टर में पहले हम यूरेटर यूरिनरी ब्लैडर कंप्लीट करेंगे, उसके बाद हम रिवीजन स्टार्ट करेंगे, रिवीजन ऑफ हिस्टोलॉजी. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. थोड़ा लेंदी था इसलिए थोड़ा फास्ट जाना पड़ा, लेकिन आपको समझ में आया होगा. क्लियर? कोई क्वेरी है आपको? यू हैव एनी क्वेरी? ओके, तो जाको अच्छो ना बता तो सुई गया. Okay, short notice mostly entire kidney are very not commonly asked. Okay, शॉर्ट नोट में हम पूछते हैं कॉर्टेक्स ऑफ किडनी पूछते हैं. कॉर्टेक्स में आपको स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ रीनल कॉर्पस्कल, ओके, एंड रीनल ट्यूब्यूल्स ही लिखना है और कुछ नहीं लिखना है. कॉर्टेक्स में जो भी होगा उतना ही लिखना है. की जरूर नहीं है. एंटायर किडनी इज आस्क्ड, देन नो नीड टू राइट अल्ट्रा स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ किडनी. मीन्स डिटेल में लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, शॉर्ट में लिख सकते हो कि अल्ट्रा स्ट्रक्चर में पोडोसाइट्स होते हैं, मेसेंचियल सेल्स होते हैं, मेसेंचियम होता है, और ग्लोमेरुलर बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन और ग्लोमेरुलर फिल्ट्रेशन वेरिएंट उसके इन वेरी शॉर्ट, वेरी शॉर्ट. Okay, now you can write your roll number.